lowest cash out and financing history. Good afternoon mga boss, your Kuya Elmer here. Here in this video mga boss, we are so excited to showcase our units that lowest cash out financing history. Imagine mga boss, for as low as 43 all-in down payment. Again, for as low as 43 all-in down payment, we will turn your dreams into keys in your hand. Still looking for your perfect guide? Let's go! Our first unit mga boss, for as low as 53,000 all-in down payment. Introducing our 2016 Kia Picanto EX automatic transmission. And take note mga boss, it's lowest in the market for only 288,000. And for financing computation, this model siya. So our second unit mga boss, for only as low as 83,000 all-in down payment, introducing our 2016 Kia Picanto EX automatic transmission in a black color. So price ani is only 338,000 negotiable, and then for financing computation is mauna siya. So our third unit mga boss, introducing our 2019 acquired Nissan Almera 1.2 manual transmission. So you can save this 10,000 pesos from the original price of 358 down to 348. And for financing computation mga boss is muna siya. So our next unit mga boss, for as low as 83,000 all-in down payment, introducing our super formado na ka-rims na 2023 Toyota Vios XLE 70 and blackish red mica color. So you can save this for 30,000 from the original price of 628 down to 598,000 na lang. So for financing computation mga boss is muna siya. So our next unit mga boss, for as low as 43,000 all-in down payment, introducing our 2023 super fresh good as new Mitsubishi Mirage GLX automatic transmission. So you can save this again for 30,000 pesos from the original price of 528 down to 498. And then for financing computation mga boss is muna siya. So mga boss, our next unit, if you are looking for a family car, spacious family car, introducing our 7-seating capacity 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5G. For as low as 143 all-in down payment, and for financing computation mga boss is muna siya. So price of this car mga boss, it's only 738, of course negotiable. Our next unit mga boss, again if you are looking for a spacious family car, 7-seating capacity, introducing our 2016 Suzuki Ertiga GL manual transmission. And take note mga boss, for as low as 78,000 all-in down payment. So grabe kayo kabarato mga boss. And price of this car is lowest in the market na gid mga boss, for only 398,000. So for financing competition mga boss is muna siya. So our next unit mga boss, again this is a 7-seating capacity fit for family car. So introducing our 2019 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS. So booster na siya, top of the line. So for as low as 148,000 all-in down payment. And price ani mga boss, it's only 708,000, lowest in the market. And for financing computation mga boss is muna siya. So our next unit mga boss, introducing our lowest in the market 2020 Nissan Terra EL 4x2 automatic transmission for only 898,000, of course negotiable. And for financing mga boss, for as low as 138,000 all-in down payment, and for estimated monthly amortization is mo siya. So our next unit mga boss, this is rare variant in the market. Introducing our 2018 Toyota Innova 2.8 diesel engine. So again, rare nga variant mga boss, G variant. So for as low as 138 all-in down payment. So price of this car mga boss, it's only 838,000 negotiable. And then for financing computation mga boss is mo siya. So our last but not the least unit mga boss, looking for your first car, looking for your daily rides, introducing our 2016 Kia Picanto EX manual transmission for as low as 87,000 all-in down payment. And price of this car mga boss, imagine lowest in the market for only 288,000 and still negotiable. For financing computation mga boss is mo siya.